So when you're using Microsoft Stream, oh no, right here. Okay, so pretend this is my video that I'm going to share with you guys. Right now when it says visible to private, if I update the video details, what you guys should do is I've been telling you guys to go allow everyone in your company to view this video. Don't do that. What you would rather do is search for people. So you just want to say Nold, and then I would come up and you could add me in there. Then when it's time to share this, then you click share here and copy this link and email me the link. Or you could just email it right here by going Nold. Oh, did that pop up there too? Rats. Nold, like that, and then send and close, and it would send it to me. Does that make sense? Additionally, with your video, like if I go back to the video, one of the things you may want to do to avoid that thing I just showed you guys, which because I'm making this video, I don't want to show that again, but you may want to, if you click on your actual video you made, so this was my video, this was a different video here, but you may want to hide this transcript. So that's in this view settings. You can just click hide transcript right here. Does that make sense? Okay.